Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of CapCut. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of CapCut and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.